Struggling to keep up with posting on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook? What if I told you that AI can manage, create, and even schedule all your content while you sleep? In this video, I'll show you how to completely automate your social media using powerful AI tools, whether you're a content creator, a small business owner, or just getting started. Welcome to The Quiet Creator, your go-to channel for the best AI tools and tutorials. Today, we're diving into AI-powered social media automation, how it works, what tools to use, and how you can implement it right now to save time, boost engagement, and stay consistent across all platforms. Let us break this down step by step so you can apply it even if you're a beginner. The first step to automation is planning. And AI can handle that too. Use tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, or Trello Plus AI plugins to generate a monthly content calendar. Suggest trending topics based on your niche. Break down ideas into daily posts for each platform. Example prompt in ChatGPT. Give me 20 content ideas about digital marketing for Instagram Reels. You'll get ready-to-use ideas in seconds. Now let's talk about creating the actual posts, captions, images, and videos. AI writing tools. Copy AI, Jasper, or Write Sonic can write captions, tweets, and video scripts in your brand voice. AI design tools. Use Canva Magic Studio, Adobe Express, or Designs. AI to generate branded posts, carousels, and infographics. AI video tools. Pictory, Lumen 5, or InVideo. I can convert scripts into faceless videos automatically. Tools like Hagen or Synthesia can even generate AI avatars to talk in your videos. All you have to do is give the AI a topic or script. It handles the editing. Your visuals. Once your content is ready, schedule it to post automatically. Best AI-powered scheduling tools. Metricool Lately.ai Buffer with AI Assistant Publer. SocialBee, these tools allow you to schedule weeks or months of content in minutes. Auto-repurpose posts for different platforms. Post at optimal engagement times based on AI predictions. Just upload your content, set the time, and the AI does the rest. Posting is just one part. Engagement is what really grows your following. Use AI tools like ChatGPT bots for responding to DMS. ManyHat or MobileMonkey for AI-driven chatbots. Brand 24 for social listening. Track mentions and reply fast. These tools monitor comments, suggest smart replies, and even automate customer service on social platforms. Finally, track your performance and optimize it. Use tools like Lately.ai to analyze what content performs best and why. Sprout Social or Metricool for deep insights. Google Analytics plus ChatGPT to ask things like, what content led to the most clicks this week? Let AI suggest what's working and how to improve. Tips for best results. Don't automate 100%. Keep a human touch where needed. Batch content creation once a week. Using AI, use trending hashtags and music. Stay consistent. AI makes it easy to post daily. Without burning out. Automation doesn't mean losing creativity. It means gaining freedom. So there you have it. A complete AI-powered system to plan, create, schedule, and optimize your social media. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're excited to try first. Thanks for watching The Quiet Creator. See you in the next one.